body is to bloom. The practice of posture on the mat is not just a ding dong or ping pong what you do. It's a real merge, being the creation itself. Most of the people who are practicing postures, it's the name of postures, but they fail to immerse in the truth of the practice of postures. If you look at the whole journey of your life, for what purpose you used your body? To talk, to eat food, to walk to office, to sit on the chair, to type in the computer. Like this, you have a program of using the body to the particularities. When body is used to the particularities, those particularities are sensed and your mind is formed as a reflection of that particularity. We need to understand mainly three concepts of practices. Number one, if you see, most of the people, even though they are practicing postures, they will not achieve the expected result, mainly because they are tempted to travel in the path of effortfully expressing body. The actual practice of posture is combination of effort and effortless, brings a completeness which makes your body to bloom, so that you will not feel the presence of the body. That is the perfect balance. Then the feeling of your I is no more only limited to body experience. Your I becomes the existential I, which is nothing but the true wisdom, effortless while executing an action. The second concept is, whenever you are practicing the posture, you are practicing the posture so that your body is aligned to the existential dimension. Aligning to this existential dimension will bring a miracle in your life journey. This alignment makes you to be one with the creation. This oneness is explained as Ekatattva. Concept number 3. We practice posture to burn the karmas, meaning the past imprints. We all know that this body is the product of millions of years of long journey. This karmic imprints has to be dissolved and body has to be cleaned. This cleansing of the body from the karmic imprints is possible by developing the right awareness expression in the practice of postures. Even if you look the way the postures are named by our great yogis and realized sages, all the names aligns to the path of your journey in the creation. Meaning, by re-entering your evolutionary past, you will be able to resolve what are all the imprints you obtained in your system, which are blocking the true manifestation of the qualities of the consciousness. Here, while practicing the posture, you balance to be one with the whole creation. Inverted postures to be straight in every direction. You practice the stretching to stretch beyond your ego, beyond your identity. You move the body to create the absolute stillness. You bring the effort to be effortless. You bring the temporariness of expression to experience the permanency of life. such a holiness is there, such a existential sacredness is there with the practice of posture. At the same time, your mind becomes calm and presence. Let's evolve the self, better the world, love all. Yoga Gita.